Hello fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel Worldindays. Today, we're transporting you to an island oasis just off the California coast, renowned for its rich history, pristine beaches, and mouth-watering cuisine, embraced by the Pacific and infused with tales of the past. We introduce you to the mesmerizing Catalina Island. Catalina Island, where the Pacific whispers tales of history, nature, and enchantment. Once the playground for Hollywood's crème de la crème, Catalina today opens its arms to explorers, romantics, and dreamers. Our journey starts with the voyage to this island paradise. Whether you embark from Long Beach, Donna Point, Newport Beach, or San Pedro, the charm of Catalina beckons. Making your way to Catalina is an experience, often via a scenic ferry ride. And if you're wondering about bringing along your bike or furry friend, you're in luck. Most ferry services accommodate both, with some guidelines in place. Bikes are generally welcome, sometimes for a small fee. And for our four-legged companions, they'll need to be in carriers during the transit. So, whether you're pedaling around or strolling with your pet, Catalina is ready to welcome you. A little tip for the celebrants: if it's your birthday, your boat ride can be on the house. Now, let's dive back into the island's wonders. As Avalon comes into view, we're greeted by its charm and the promise of adventure. But first, breakfast at a quaint local cafe. Our journey begins here, at the Wrigley Memorial, a testament to the island's rich heritage and the legacies that shaped it. An iconic building surrounded by a botanic garden dedicated to California's native plants. But beyond nature, Catalina boasts architectural marvels that beckon with stories of glamour and allure. Here we have the Grand Casino building, not a place for dice and cards, but a hall echoing with tales of the golden past, film stars and unforgettable dance evenings. Its magnificent dome has witnessed countless stories. As the sun stands proud in the sky, our adventure continues, leading us to even more of Catalina's hidden gems. But no trip is complete without savoring local flavors. Imagine feasting on the freshest seafood, with waves serenading you in the background. Pure bliss. From land to sea, Catalina never ceases to amaze. At Lover's Cove, the ocean unveils its secrets, revealing a kaleidoscope of marine life. It's an underwater spectacle you won't forget. Venturing inland, we encounter Catalina's wild side. These majestic bison, once silver screen celebrities, now reign supreme over these terrains, adding a touch of Hollywood to the island's natural drama. As the light softens, Catalina reveals a gentler, more introspective side. It's a time to pause, breathe, and truly soak in the island's magic. For those moments when you just want to unwind, Descanso Beach Club awaits. Picture this: a cocktail crafted to perfection, golden sands, and the horizon stretching infinitely. This is the Catalina dream. When it's time for a bite, the island's culinary scene is a fusion of tradition and innovation. Catalina, indulge in dishes that are as diverse and vibrant as the island itself. And as our Catalina chapter concludes, we leave with hearts full and memories richer. From sun-kissed shores to cinematic bison, this island is a trove of tales waiting to be discovered. But why end the magic with sunset? Catalina offers cozy nooks to tuck in for the night. The historic Hotel Atwater, an island icon since 1920, is an ode to elegance and comfort. For a more intimate experience, numerous bed and breakfasts dot the island, each with its unique charm. And for those seeking luxury with a view, the Inn on Mountain. While Ada, once the mansion of William Wrigley Jr., promises a stay fit for royalty. While the allure of Catalina's history and its iconic landmarks are undeniable, the island also tempts with a treasure trove of activities. From adrenaline-pumping adventures to serene moments with nature, Catalina promises a spectrum of experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. Dive in, and let's uncover the diverse activities this island paradise has in store. For the thrill seekers among you, Catalina's zipline eco tour promises a rush of adrenaline, giving you breathtaking aerial views of the island. The calm waters beckon water sports enthusiasts. Whether it's kayaking or paddleboarding, the Pacific offers a unique vantage point to appreciate Catalina's beauty. Rent a golf cart and explore the island's hidden corners at your own pace. It's a favorite among visitors, offering the freedom to discover secluded spots and panoramic vistas. For those who prefer land-based adventures, Catalina boasts a myriad of hiking trails, each unlocking new perspectives and landscapes. The Trans-Catalina Trail is especially renowned among hiking aficionados. And as the sun sets, the marine wonders beneath the waves come alive. Consider a glass-bottom boat or semi-submersible tour to marvel at Catalina's vibrant underwater realm. Catalina Island, with its myriad activities and serene retreats, offers something for every traveler. It's time to reflect on our journey through this Pacific paradise. We've walked its historic paths, savored its culinary delights, and marveled at both its natural wonders and architectural masterpieces. Every corner of this island, from the bustling streets of Avalon to the tranquil beauty of its wild interiors, resonates with stories and memories. Whether you're planning a short trip or an extended stay, Catalina promises a unique blend of adventure, relaxation, and timeless beauty. It's more than just a destination. It's a feeling, an experience, a memory etched in the heart. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow explorers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let the waves guide your way.